Here we have the Espire range of safety alarms by ESP. Our range includes heat, carbon monoxide, optical smoke, CO and heat, and smoke and heat. Our alarms are packed full of features and are individually tested, ensuring the highest quality and reliability. Our alarms are available in hardwired mains power options, replaceable battery mains powered options, or sealed battery power options. On the mains version, we have the auto dimming LED, which works in day mode and night mode. You can interconnect the alarms using hardwire or using an optional RF link module. To ensure compliance, our alarms go through vigorous testing, making them one of the most trusted options on the market, and they are fully compliant to TUV and LPCB. We also have a range of accessories that include RF control switches, hardwired control switches, sounder strobes, multi-tools, RF modules, and more. All of our alarms feature a 5-year warranty for peace of mind.